I'm going to show you how you can find your IBAN number with Wise. Now, if you want to go to the IBAN calculator on Wise, this is what it will look like. If you want to go ahead and go here, you want to find your IBAN number with Wise, you can just type up Wise and then IBAN calculator like this, right? And then on here, you can find your IBAN with Wise. You can see you can select your country, you can enter in the bank code, the branch code, and the bank account number as well. You can enter in the Wise IBAN account here as well. But if you want a more direct approach, there is a way to do that as well. First off, you want to go ahead and go to your Wise account here, and then you want to go ahead onto the manage account section, and then you want to go ahead and press on the button there or account details. Now for account details, after you press on that, you'll see this interface here, and then on account your details, you want to go ahead and go to Euro, and then you can see there is a IBAN/Swift PIC section there. Just click on that. Now when you tap on that, it'll reveal your IBAN number for Wise. And then that's it. That's how you find the IBAN number for Wise with the IBAN calculator or within Wise itself.